Determination of saponification value of oil, ERPIS, to determine the saponification value of an oil or fat, which is the number of milligrams of potassium hydroxide KOH required to saponify 1 gram of the sample. This value is important for detecting adulteration in oils, fats, estimating average molecular weight of fatty acids, quality control in edible oil, cosmetics, and industrial lubricants. 2. Principle when an oil triglyceride is boiled, refluxed, with excess alcoholic KOH. The ester linkages break down, yielding glycerol and potassium salts of fatty acids, soap. The unused KOH excess is then titrated with a standardized mineral acid, usually HCl. The difference in acid consumption between a blank no oil and the sample gives the amount of KOH used in saponification. Chemical reaction. C3. H5OO-ChR. Tiga, Tiga. Ribua, Che. Tigaha, Lima. O33. RCOOK3. Apparatus. Analytical balance. 0.001 gramo, conical flask, or round bottom flask, 250 ml. Reflux condenser, heating mantle, or water bath. Burette, 50 milliliters, pipettes, 10, 25 milliliters. Measuring cylinders, funnel, glass rod, 4. Reagents, alcoholic, Co. 0.5 N. Dissolve approximately 28 grams KOH pellets in 1 L of 95% ethanol. Store in airtight container to prevent co-absorption. Standardized HCl 0.5 N. Prepare from concentrated HCl and standardize with primary standard. X-atmol, NaCO, phenolphthalein indicator 1%. Dissolve 1 g phenolphthalein in 100 milliliters ethanol. 95% ethanol analytical grade. Distilled water 5. Sample preparation. Ensure oil sample is free from moisture and suspended impurities. If sample is solid at room temperature, warm gently to liquefy before weighing. 6. Procedure. A sample titration. Weigh the sample. Accurately weigh about 2 grams of oil into a 250 milliliters round bottom flask. Add alcoholic potassium hydroxide KOH, pipette, 25 milliliters, of 0.5, normal alcoholic potassium hydroxide KOH, into the flask. Heat gently in a water bath or heating mantle for the SOP specified time. For water bath, 65 degrees for 2 hours. To ensure complete saponification. Avoid boiling over. Ensure condenser is functioning to prevent ethanol loss. After time finished, take out form water bath and add 1 to 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator solution turns pink. Immediately titrate with standardized 0.5 NaHCl until the pink color just disappears. Record the volume used as versus mlb. Blank determination. Perform the same steps without the oil sample. Record the titration volume as VBML. 7. Calculation formula. SV equals volume blank minus volume sample. Multiply by normality. Multiply by 56.1. Divide by sample. Weight where. SV equals saponification value, milligram KOH, gram, VB equals blank titration volume, in ml, versus equals sample titration volume, in mln, equals normality of hydrochloric acid HCl 56.1, equals molecular weight of Co. mg mol, W equals sample weight, in gram. Example calculation. Given weight of sample equals 2 grams, volume blank reading equals 24.80 milliliters, volume sample reading 10.45 milliliters, normality of HCl 0.5 steps. 24.80 minus 10.45 equals 14.35 milliliters, multiply by 0.5 equals 7.175, multiply by 56.1 equals 402.52 milligrams, KOH, divide by 2, which is sample weight, equals 201,26 milligram ka atau gram. So our saponification value result is equals 201,26 gram ka. Atau the reference is AOAC. Official method 920.160. ISO 3657 to 2020. Animal and vegetable fats and oils. Determination of saponification value.